tree hair gel recipe. 1/4 teaspoons unflavored gelatin. A half cup hot water. Distilled water or pre-boiled water will give a longer shelf life. 3 to 5 drops tea tree essential oil. Directions: mix gelatin and hot water in a bowl. Stir for 2 minutes until dissolved. Add in tea tree essential oil and stir well. Transfer to a clean jar or container, whatever you would like to store your hair gel in. Place in refrigerator to thicken, about an hour or 2. How to use: take a tiny bit and rub between your palms to warm it up. Use as you would normally use hair gel. Store in the refrigerator between uses. Should last around 2 to 4 weeks. Note: if you would like a hair gel with more hold, then use more gelatin. Like and subscribe. Jazakallah.